Welcome to this technical guide on the UX8406M. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. So, you found that your ASUS UX8406M won't turn on. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as a faulty battery, issues with the power button, or even a problem with the motherboard. If left unresolved, you could end up with further damage, leading to more costly repairs down the line. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge, and a replacement battery if needed. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of your ASUS UX8406M. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the casing. Once the cover is off, locate the battery. It should be easily identifiable. Next, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. You may need to remove a few screws to free the battery from its compartment. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the battery is out, it's time to replace it with your new one. Place the new battery into the compartment and reconnect the cable to the motherboard. Ensure everything is secure and that there's no pressure on any nearby components. Now, it's time to reassemble your device. Replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down firmly until it clicks into place. Finally, plug in your device and attempt to turn it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You fixed your ASUS UX8406M. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to keep your laptop in a cool, dry place and avoid excessive pressure on the power button. Regularly check for software updates as well, as these can sometimes resolve underlying issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.